All right, welcome to the deep dive. Today we're digging into something you sent us, this viral gadget, the EpiCooler portable AC.
Yep.
We're looking at all the slick ads and the website you provided, and our mission is to find the real facts underneath all that hype.
Exactly. We're here
Okay.
to peel back the marketing.
Yeah.
And you sent us some material where the website makes some pretty spectacular claims.
Oh, yeah.
They're calling it the ultimate climate control system. It's supposed to cool and heat, cover up to 51 square meters.
But the claim that really anchors the whole thing, the one that's designed to hook you,
A big one.
is that it delivers cooling or heating in just 5 seconds.
Okay, so right off the bat, that 5-second claim, let's just talk about basic physics for a second.
Right.
For any real air conditioner to work, it needs time. It has to pull air in, cool it down, and crucially, push the heat out.
And a tiny box on a table isn't going to do that in 5 seconds.
It just can't. It kind of breaks the laws of thermodynamics,
So if we know it's not physically possible, why lead with that specific number? What are they trying to distract you from?
It's all about that instant gratification. They want you to focus on the magic number so you don't think about the mechanics.
And the tests you found seem to back that up.
They do. Testers say it provides, some mild cooling,
Yeah.
but only in a very small personal space, like right in front of the unit.
Which makes sense because, as the sources point out, there's no exhaust system.
Exactly. Where is the hot air supposed to go? It's basically just a small personal fan. It can't cool a 50 square meter room.
And that gets us to the marketing red flags, which there are a lot of them.
A lot. It's all high drama, these polished graphics, talk of 6 power modes.
But no actual detail.
None. You look for a real technical spec sheet,
Mhm.
and it's just not there. It's all adjectives, no data.
That lack of transparency is a huge sign, isn't it?
It is, and it leads to 2 big authenticity issues. First, the reviews.
Okay.
You can only find them on the company's own website. We call those proprietary reviews.
Meaning you can't check them on a third-party site, you just have to trust them.
And you probably shouldn't. The second thing is their expert endorsement. They feature this licensed HVAC technician, a James Turner.
Let me guess.
He's a ghost. He doesn't seem to exist anywhere but on their product page. It feels more like a character in a story than a real person.
So a fake expert and curated reviews, this is all pointing in one direction.
It really is. It points directly to the dropshipping model. Your sources found the exact same device on wholesale sites like Alibaba.
For a much lower price, I assume.
A tiny fraction of the price.
So for you listening, this is a classic setup. Someone buys a generic product for cheap, slaps a fancy brand like EpiCooler on it, and then pours money into marketing instead of engineering.
So the final assessment is pretty clear then.
I'd say so.
The EpiCooler isn't, dangerous or anything, but it is absolutely not the high-performance portable AC it's advertised to be. It's a small fan with a bit of water in it, wrapped in a very expensive marketing campaign. So what does this all mean for you? Well, the main lesson here is to always, always check those dramatic claims against reality.
If the flashy promises outnumber the actual technical specs?
Yeah, if there are more adjectives than numbers, you should be extremely skeptical.
Okay, here's a final thought for you to take away.
Mm-hmm.
The next time you see a viral product that relies on a made-up expert and only shows you reviews on its own site, ask yourself this. What crucial piece of information about the product's engineering are they trying so hard to hide?
They're telling you exactly what they don't want you to know. The specs.